If you are new to Xero and want to manage your finances easily, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started. Xero is an online accounting software that helps you handle invoices, expenses, bank transactions, and reports all in one place. Even if you have zero experience, you can follow these steps and start using Xero confidently. To get started, log into your Xero account and explore the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your financial position, including bank balances, invoices, and expenses. This is your main control center. Next, begin by creating invoices. Go to the business menu and select Invoices. Then click on New Invoice. Add your customer details, items or services, prices, and due date. Once done, you can send the invoice directly to your customer via email. After that, record your expenses. Go to the business menu and select Bills to Pay. Click on New Bill and enter supplier details, amount, and due date. This helps you track what you owe and manage payments efficiently. Now, connect your bank account if you have not already done so. This allows Xero to automatically import your bank transactions. You can then reconcile transactions by matching them with your invoices or expenses. This is one of the most important features in Xero. You can also manage contacts by adding customers and suppliers in the Contacts section. This keeps all your business relationships organized in one place. Another key feature is reporting. Go to the Accounting menu and select Reports. You can view important reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. These reports help you understand your financial performance. As you get comfortable, explore additional features like payroll, inventory, and tax settings depending on your needs. Regularly reviewing your data ensures everything stays accurate. In short, using Xero involves creating invoices, recording expenses, reconciling bank transactions, managing contacts, and reviewing reports. Now that you understand the basics, start using Xero to manage your finances more efficiently and stay in control of your business. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.